today. We doing it today. You guys are doing it with me. We're doing it today. I'm gonna be trying 6 food TikTok hacks, y'all. Okay, make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're not wasting no time, okay? Because I'm interested in seeing if this works, and this better work, yo. Y'all know with TikTok, either it's a hit or it's a miss. And I promise you, out of the 6 I do today, 4 better be a hit. 4 better be a hit or I'm gonna be upset. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first one. The first one is going to be watermelon and cinnamon. I really hope this works. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So I got my bowl of watermelon right here. I had a personal little watermelon that I got from Albertsons. It was so cute, you guys. I've never got a watermelon, like a small one. It was so cute. So I went ahead and I cut the watermelon up, y'all. When I say that watermelon was juicy, oh, watermelon was so freaking juicy. We got our cinnamon right here. I wonder who wake up on the wrong side of the bed. Get out of bed, walk in the kitchen and say, you know what? I'm gonna put 2 things together that don't match. TikTok. Can we just stop? Can we just stop with the innovation TikTok? Let's just stop. We're gonna pour it. Oh, this makes me nervous. You guys remember that little cinnamon challenge that was going around like not too long ago? Like I never tried it. People was choking, almost dying over it. This reminds me of that. Like I'm low-key nervous. Watermelon and cinnamon. Who? Bye. Y'all see me? Y'all see it? Whew. It tastes like a healthy Cinnabon. I don't know. It tastes like, you know, I really want to get a Cinnabon, but I'm on a diet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some cinnamon on my watermelon, and in my mind, I'm gonna visualize it being a Cinnabon. That's how it tastes, y'all. I'm gonna say a 5. I wouldn't ever try this again. It tastes like a Cinna watermelon. Yeah. No, I seen this, I believe, what's her name? She's on YouTube. I think her name is Trinity J. I went to Walmart and I got the box of apple cider. Who has tried this? Let me know if y'all tried this before. Like, TikTok made me do it. TikTok made me do it. Actually, Trinity J. Oh my god. Ew. It don't smell good. I'm just gonna pour it on there. Oh, it looks like sugar. You guys see that? It looks like sugar. I'm nervous. I've never had apple cider out of a pack. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, a little that's a little sour. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna try that again. Hold on. I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna try that again. You make your eye twitch. You know what I mean? Like, it's alright. It's alright. It tastes alright. It tastes alright. I mean, we'll get it 5.5 out of 10. So now we're gonna try Cheetos and ranch, y'all. Okay, I just don't know why people love just like putting stuff together. I don't know. They just be at home like, man, I got this last pack of dip right here. I'm just gonna throw this in with the Cheetos. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna throw it in one time. Oh, it's the Spice King. So he put the Cheetos and the ranch together. So let's see what he doing. He got the regular hot Cheetos, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, he got the regular hot Cheetos. I am not a fan of spice whatsoever, okay? Mild. If I do ever get like hot Cheetos, I'll always go for hot Cheetos with lime. I have a little baggie right here and I'm just gonna pour some hot Cheetos in there because I'm not, what if it's nasty? I don't wanna pour the whole thing in the hot Cheetos and then it's nasty and then like, I gotta throw it away. Like I'm already throwing away this apple cider. Unless y'all want it. The hot Cheetos in there. Hopefully the ranch like makes up for like the spice, y'all. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. I low-key think it's gonna be a good one. I think it's gonna be a good one. Okay, we're gonna put a lot. So y'all see that? I got like 3 chips. And I put 1/4 of the little mix right here. Why? Okay, TikTok. So as you guys can see, my Cheetos is fully coated. This is what it looks like. Ooh, ooh. Ah. Y'all, I haven't had hot Cheetos in all of 2021, y'all. My first little Cheeto beef. I'm done. I see where they were going with it, but this is the only way I can give you guys an accurate, like, rating because I don't like hot Cheetos. Like, so we're gonna try it with Doritos. thing I do like though, like it's fully coated. In my opinion, I don't even like hot, but it was way better with the Hot Cheetos. I'm gonna 7 out of 10. Why? It was cool, but it's like, why? We're gonna jump back into the watermelon. You already know the yellow bottle. Mustard. Me personally, I'm a ketchup person, okay? When it comes to mustard and ketchup win all day long, okay? I love ketchup, okay? Let me know in the comments down below, like, do you prefer ketchup or mustard, okay? You know how you go somewhere to the drive-thru and they give you 3 packets of ketchup and it's like, can I have more, please? Can I have more, please? Can I have a little bit more, please? That's me. That's the restaurant that be playing you, giving you 1.5 packet of ketchup for a large fry. Like, who came up with this? I'm gonna put mustard on watermelon. I'm gonna go on the refrigerator. I'll put some ranch on watermelon and see how it tastes. Put some syrup on some watermelon and see how it tastes. Why are you putting mustard? Why? The TikTok made me do it, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Boom. Yo, this watermelon real juicy though, no lie. That was all the juice from the water. This watermelon juicy. That was a 0. Try it and let me know. That was dumb. That was dumb. The best thing ever on watermelon, I don't care what nobody say. The best thing on watermelon, tahini and lemon. We do not need to get in the kitchen and start experimenting, okay? Because you almost killed me. You almost took me out. You gotta OD it. You gotta do the most with it. Like, that's how much you gotta have on there. See that? Now this is good. This is good. This ain't gonna kill you. It's bussin'. It's bussin'. I'll give it a 0 out of 10. The tahini with the watermelon, a 10 out of 10. So next we have our pineapple. He says take the top off. So I'm gonna try to open this watermelon with my bare hands, y'all. Okay, so why would you need to do this? First of all, why would you not have a knife? Where are we at where we don't have a knife? Are you stuck on the island? I'm gonna see if this hat works for y'all so you don't have to do it at home. He said twist off the top. Whoa, hold on. Okay, that was easy. Ah, I'm done. Success. You're finished. Step 2, tap it. He say roll it on the ground. I'm not putting my pineapple on the ground, so I'm just gonna like roll it right here. Roll it like you rolling out flour tortilla. Roll it like you rolling out, I don't know, biscuits. He said step 3, you have to roll it a little bit harder, so I'm gonna stand up. Y'all, I low-key think this might work. It literally is starting to open. Like there's juice is starting to come out of it. I'm excited. I think it's loose. He said make sure it's kind of loose. There's juice coming out of this part right here, so I'm going to try to like take it. He said take the stem and you try this one. Then try this one. He said take it in. I'm just going like I can't take it out, but oh. You could just use your finger, bruh. You could just use your finger. Hold on. Y'all. It didn't come out perfect, but y'all, whoa. Okay. I can't do the stem thing, but I'm definitely like, as you guys can see. That was good. It's not coming out perfect, but I get the concept though. Like, hold on. Ooh, it worked, y'all. I'm just gonna sit here and dang, this pineapple juicy. Juice everywhere. Oh my god. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Ooh, that was perfect. That's perfect right there. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10, y'all. That was pretty freaking decent, okay? I didn't think I ate the whole pineapple. Shoot, I forgot I was even doing a video. Oh, that was amazing. And our last hack is gonna be, we're gonna see if we can deshell an egg with a spoon and for all the shell to be off. So let's go ahead and try that one. I went ahead and I boiled my egg on the stove. So we're gonna see if this works. So I'm gonna tap it. TikTok, take the top off. The top is off. It said, put your spoon in there and just like, ooh. You just gotta go around and take off the shell. I mean, this one low-key worked. I'm gonna say this is an 8 out of 10. So you guys see, it's like, it like took chunks off of the egg. So I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. Mine didn't turn out perfect, but I just feel like I kind of messed it up. But try this at home and let me know like how it goes, you guys. So that was it, you guys. That was my 6 TikTok food hacks I gave you guys. Super easy. Anybody can do these TikTok food hacks. The last one was actually a hack, and I gave it an 8 out of 10. It low-key almost was perfect, but it took off a lot of the egg. That's the only reason why it's getting an 8 out of 10. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys try these at home. I love the pineapple one, and if you guys have not tried watermelon with tahini on it, come on now. You missing out. You see this? I'm about to eat this whole bowl. I got my lemon on there. I got my tahini on there. As soon as I turn this off, y'all, it's going down. It's going down. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys next time.